Let's get to grilling. You gotta take off the membrane. Rip. Get our mustard. And I made this. It has kosher salt, black pepper, parsley, chili powder, paprika, and brown sugar, and a little bit of garlic. Try to get this evenly coated, just like that. Got our chicken. Mustard to use as our binary. Kinder's tequila lime. Oh, there you go. Nice little flat. Close down the hatch and let the smoking heat do its work. Now that our hour is up, let's check how these ribs are doing. And then we're gonna get our AJ and spritz up the ribs. And we're gonna close these, give it about another hour, and do the same exact process. And check our fire. Looking good. Some fresh potato chips. There you go. We got our legs. There we go. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that went so smooth, Gilbert. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, man.
Got some baked beans right there. There you go. We got some mac and cheese, asparagus, and we got the chicken on the bottom. Jesus Christ, this pan's hot. Queso dip here. Got the fried potato chips, tortilla chips. Last shot.
1 to 10.
Look at that. Cheers, guys. Eat good, eat well, stay healthy.